boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have a brand new fresh song from Gracie Abrams. It's called Hit the Wall. We really love her voice here on Learn Guitar. She is great. She has her own DNA, and you can clearly hear when she sings. So that's a plus when it comes to artists and how they perform the song. So now let's focus on Hit the Wall, and we're going to do that with a capo on third. And before we move on with this tutorial, I want to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I need your help, guys, to grow that channel. So go and visit my new channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I appreciate that. So now let's go and move on with this tutorial. We have 5 chords to handle here. We're going to start with F first, which is a bar chord. So you're going to start with index finger on the first fret and push down all strings there as a bar, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Next chord is C. So that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We're going to move on with A minor. Very easy transition from C to A minor. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. G next. Third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And finally we have the D. It's used in the bridge part later on. It goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. So we're going to use a strumming pattern that goes with this F. It sounds like this. Okay, so I'll play it first one down, a short pause there, and then comes up, up, down. So down, up, up, down. That's one string round. In a couple rounds. Okay, so we're gonna play the main pattern, which is F, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2 string rounds, and G, 2 string rounds. Okay, we're gonna do that just pretty much 95% of the song. It goes like this. So on. All right, that is the main pattern, and then we need to throw in the D as well. It starts about 2 minutes, this bridge part. So what you're going to do here now is to play D, 2 string rounds, F2, C2, and G2. You're going to play that chord progression for 4 rounds. So after you finish these 4 rounds, you're going to go back to the main part again, just finish up the song. So we're going to play that bridge part as well. D, F, C, G, 2 string rounds per chord, like this. Such a great song from Gracie coming out. So hit the wall, hit the guitar, and just play it. I think it's pretty easy for you guys. 5 chords, simple chords, you capo on third, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.